Welcome to brand new show Face to Face. This is a program that DME Media School has initiated only last week. DME Media School is part of Delhi Metropolitan Education, DME, and DME is one of the premier institution affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. DME has three departments or three schools which run four academic programs. Besides the media school, there is a law school and there is a management school. And the academic programs which are offered are BA, LLB, BBA LLB, BBA, and BA JMC. So this BA JMC program is run by DME Media School, and DME as a whole always believes in the state of the art facilities. And since the time this coronavirus has struck in March, we have tried to upgrade the whole the facilities which are there in the institution. In the last semester, we started the online classes, and before this semester starts, and our semester has already started on 4th of August. And since that time, we started the video lectures which we have uploaded on our ERP system, and then we have also started the tutorial classes. So DME has a complete, as I said, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and rather we can call it the digital campus that we have tried to ensure. So let us have a look on the digital campus of DME.
DME has embraced digital paradigm shift by adopting technology-based learning.
Unlike other colleges, we adopted a two-step strategy. In step 1, teachers would be preparing the videos, students would be watching them. In step 2, the student would be coming to the tutorial, clarifying the doubts, making the presentations, and discuss with the teacher.
At DME, we have invested in the best in the class academic ERP, which allows us to have a 360-degree robust communication amongst all the stakeholders, students and faculty members.
DME's virtual learning mechanism is no less than real-time classroom teaching,
wherein the students are provided the pool of e-learning resources in the form of PPTs, video lectures, and online classes in a very student-friendly environment.
There is no need of mental blocks. Online teaching is as effective and interesting as offline teaching. Let the students enjoy this new mode of education.
In DME, we believe in quality education. We take care of our students. We want to see them happy.
Mental and emotional health are one of the most challenging issues of present times. DME Mentoring Cell takes care of that. Not just this, we go beyond academic curriculum to instill the most important employability skills in our students.
Welcome back to Face to Face, and I was telling you already that this is a program which has been conceived and executed by DME Media School. DME Media School is one of the most distinguished media school in the country. We are in a habit of doing the things differently. If I can tell you, we have started one international conference 2 years ago, and we have done 3 editions of this conference, which is called ICANN. The 3rd edition happened only in June, and it was a 10-day long conference, and it was the world's first digital live conference. Besides that, we have also organized the International Film Festival SIFI last year, and this year we are going with this festival with the 2nd edition of the festival. And besides that, we also have the BG Varghese lecture series, which is a monthly feature wherein we invite distinguished people to speak on different subjects and interact with the students. And this particular program, if I can talk about Face to Face, it is a chat show which has been started. It's an interaction which happens happens in this program between the dean and the students. Since I am the dean, so I'm hosting this program. And then there are 3 students who are from 3 different semesters. And since this year the exam have not taken place of the final year till date because of so many policy issues and all, so we have an outgoing batch which you would have passed had the exams taken place timely. And then we have a third year batch and the second year batch, because the second semester is students who are promoted to third semester, and the fourth semester is students have been promoted to the fifth semester. So these 3 students are there. But then before starting the program, let us have a look who all are these 3 students. So welcome again to Face to Face. Now, I mean, those who are there in the session would have made out that who all are there with us. So let me formally introduce them. These are Valentina Rawat, who is from the outgoing batch. Then there is Soumya Bhaskar, who is in the third year, and Akriti Singh, who is in the second year. So to start with, and as we have made it like a custom that we start with the senior most person. So to start with Valentina, we have seen in the AVs her interest and all, but then we would like to listen from her only what are her passions, inclination, interests and all. So Valentina.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. I'm really glad to be talking with all of you here and to listen to all the students who have something to say. So I am really interested in pursuing digital marketing because I like writing, I like creating content, I have interest in graphic designing as well. So I believe that's one field where all my interests can come together to push me forward. And I would like to do something where I can, use all my abilities to the best of their ability. That's what I would want.
But this is like, I mean, very, very routine kind of answer wherein you are telling us about your interest in the subjects that you would have studied. But when it comes to passion, passion is beyond this. So what exactly is your passion?
So I don't think I have a particular passion. I've always been somebody who's liked learning things a lot and skills that are hand-based. So even when I was really young, I used to really like styling my hair, giving haircuts to people, coloring their hair. I really enjoyed stitching. I really enjoyed painting and doing fabric painting, doing embroidery. Taught myself to play the ukulele. So skill-based things that are creative, they really make me feel good about myself, and I create something on my own. I think that's my passion, to create something.
But what are those things which are very close to your heart and without which you cannot live?
So I think it's just working every day. It's just putting my mind to use. Nothing in particular. Some days I really enjoy watching a really, really bad movie, a really bad Bollywood movie, and I'll feel very happy about it. Some days I have to have a very fixed routine where I wake up, I'll do some singing, I'll sit with my parents. I really enjoy that. I would paint after that. Then I'd work on different projects with people. So I would do that. Then I'd paint again. I'd take a class on Skillshare, learn something new. So it's just it's like that. And I feel really, really bad about myself if I'm not, engaged in doing something. So that's a good thing, and it's also not a good thing.
Okay, so one thing I picked up that you, I mean, like singing and you do singing, isn't it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, so let us listen something from you.
Okay, I'm not going to play my ukulele, but I can sing if you guys don't
Yeah,
mind.
sing like that, no problem.
Okay, so I'll sing something. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे.
Good, 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 good. So it was impressive. Yeah, so moving on to Soumya. Soumya, we have seen in your AV what all your interests, and otherwise also we have seen, I mean, all the teachers have seen you, whatever activities you are into in college. And I personally remember the day you did I mean, you participated in a mock press conference, which was organized by Krishna Pandey ma'am for you people. So I was really mesmerized the way the everything happened. But then we would like to listen from you only. What are your passions? How do you put it?
So thank you for this opportunity. I never thought that I will get this chance to talk like this as a chat show, because I always seen like Coffee with Karan chatting with people. I never thought that I would be getting a chance to do this. I don't have a particular passion. I want to pursue public relations, if I say, in my career, but I like to try new things. Like in this lockdown period, I tried many things. I am good at painting. I tried dancing more in classical, and then I tried making some short videos, funny videos. I try to do different things, but I am a person who is very disciplined from inside. I'm not a so happening person in life. I am subtle, sober, disciplined person.
Okay. But when I ask you about the passion, how will you define it? Because Valentina was finding it difficult to define, and I can understand. Then she was more, she has been more in the mode of exploring new things. So it is yet to find out what exactly is the passion. Is it the same case with you, or you can put it in proper words?
Sir, I think passion is something what we love to do, and we
Yeah.
do every day for ourselves. So painting can be said as my passion, because for at least 1.5 months, I was continuously painting, because there was some other zeal and feel in me that made me this happy when I do painting. So I created at least 30 paintings in that particular month. So painting can be my passion.
So are those paintings around?
Yes, sir, they
where
are.
where do you
Uh,
keep them?
So I post them on my page on Instagram, but yeah, I have them. I have kept them all safely.
So can you show it right now here?
So it will
No.
take 1 second.
Okay. I
I
mean,
showed in the last.
yeah, by the time, I mean, whenever you get time to you arrange that so that the show
Yes, sir.
does not get
Yes,
disturbed,
sir.
and then we would like. But then you said the classical singing also.
Yes, sir.
So we
Dancing,
can
classical
certainly,
dancing.
we would like certainly to listen to that classical singing part.
Sir, no, I like dancing, classical dancing, facial
Classical
expressions.
dancing.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
dancing showing will be a bit difficult as part of this program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so any other thing that you would like to tell us about your interest?
So not in particular, but I am happy that I'm exploring different things, different parts of me, doing such things in this period. I'm trying cooking, which I haven't tried any time in my life till these 17, 18, 19 years. But now I'm liking doing different things. So yeah.
Okay, so that's good. I mean, you are versatile and one who is experimenting in too many things. So, I mean, that exploration is in fact very, very necessary to go ahead in life. So
Yes, sir.
that's a welcome thing. Now moving on to Akriti. So Akriti, if I ask you about your interest and passions, you have been listening to your seniors now, or what would you say about your passion?
Actually, from childhood onwards, I had just one thing that I wanted to be a choreographer. But
Hmm.
it was like my parents didn't like वो चाहते नहीं कि मैं ये चीज करूं. So that is why another thing that came in my mind when I passed my 12th was for journalism. I opted for journalism because I want now to pursue my career being an anchor. But sir, so far as concerned about my passion, so dancing is my passion. I do it
Hmm.
on a daily basis, in the evenings when I'm free or at night after having food. I just put on my earphones and with high volume of music, I just dance. I put videos on Instagram page of mine. So, sir, first priority I want to give to dance, but as far as concerned, my parents' view, they won't support it. So next is anchoring. So for that, sir, I'm trying on daily basis, like reading newspaper, practicing translation, and watching news every day. So, sir, this is what I want to
I think there's some problem with your
say.
connection.
Yeah.
Akriti, can you continue, or we'll wait by the time we'll move on? Okay, so moving on, Valentina, since you have passed 3 years time on the campus of DME, and during this period you would have made a lot of friends, and then you would have been taught by different teachers in different semesters, different subjects. And then, I mean, obviously you might be liking certain teachers, might not be so much liking some other teachers, and then you would have enjoyed or not enjoyed maybe the campus life. But then we would like to know about your friends and teachers and the campus life.
So, sir, from since the first week of college, I've had the same set of friends, and I think I became first. I became friends with Siddhant and Rajat, and then group kept growing from there. Then Daksh came, Amandeep came, then Gayatri came. Our group kind of kept expanding, and now we're a bunch of 11 people in one group, and we did all our projects together. I got to learn so many things from all of them because I believe, and I've always believed this, that it's to go move ahead in life and to learn new things. You have to be around people, and you need to surround yourself with people who are equally passionate about life and doing well in life. And
But
I
but 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 Valentina, I want to interrupt you here. Where are those 10 friends?
right now, sir, I don't know. Siddhant is here. I know Kamaksha is here. Tushar is here.
Hmm.
I don't think the rest of them were updated about this. Some of them have different sleep schedules as well.
You
So
you don't keep your friends well informed, or is it that since I mean you people are now almost passed out, so then I mean that bond is not the same which used to be there when you were there in the college?
no, so that's not the case. We actually interact with each other every day. I was and Siddhant even like updated them on the group. I actually didn't get time to do that because I was outside and I'd just come home
Hmm.
around 6. And this is what I started doing after that. I was waiting it to go live. So
Hmm.
Siddhant did update them and slowly they're joining. So that's
Hmm.
what happened. And talking about the campus and the teachers, uh, one thing that I like keep thinking about it, and I really enjoyed about studying in DME and being in that college is that the teachers are really welcoming towards your questions, and the classroom environment is very very comfortable for you. So at no point of time did I ever feel like I couldn't raise my hand and ask a question, and that I would feel humiliated, in front of my peers, or that the teacher would make fun of me. And they always supported us. They were always open to our questions, even outside the classroom. So I think that's really important when you're studying, and it really boosts your confidence. I really enjoyed that.
So thank you, Valentina. Now again moving to Akriti. Now she appears settled. Now we were talking to you, Akriti, about your passions and all. So can you complete what you were saying earlier?
Sir, I was just saying that initially dancing is like first priority I want to give is for dancing, but my parents won't support that. So after that, I shifted my focus on anchoring. That is, I wanted to pursue BJMC. So currently, I'm working on that only on daily basis, reading the newspaper, watching news, and practicing translations. And like I'm taking every step possible so that I can be an eminent news anchor.
What kind of dances you do?
Sir, mostly Western. Classical, I just started. It was just 1 year when I I had only finished one year. After that, my coaching timing started clashing with those hours, so I had to leave the classical part. So more I do is of Western dance.
But you can keep doing it along with your studies. I mean, after BJMC or at any point of time in life, you can make a career there as a choreographer, isn't it?
Yes, sir, I can, but सर पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट होना बहुत जरूरी होता है ना सर इन सब चीजों में. सो व्हेन यू डोंट गेट सपोर्ट तो सर फिर वो चीज नहीं अच्छी लगती, तो फिर इसीलिए सर वो शिफ्ट कर लिया एक चेंज.
नहीं 18 साल के बाद तो you can even take your own course and it's not necessary that you are following whatever your parents are telling you.
Yes sir, but स्टिल जब सर को अंदर से जब इच्छा नहीं होती ना सर, फिर नहीं हो पाता. कि जब आपको बार बार निग्लेक्ट कर दिया जाए, आप उस चीज के लिए घर पे बोल रहे हो बट आपको उस चीज के लिए मना कर दिया जाए, तो सर फिर वो अंदर से वो चीज करने की इच्छा नहीं होती.
Now moving on to Soumya. Soumya, can you tell us about your friends and teachers and the campus life?
Sir, I had a great campus life with less friends and good teachers always supporting towards me, and every situation they are so warm and welcoming. But I have a single friend, that's Manvi. We have a very good relation, and with other classmates I have a good talking terms. I am a very introvert person in that thing. I make limited friends in my life. So Manvi is a great friend, and other people are also.
तो सौम्या, मानवी का असर नहीं आया, डांसिंग नहीं शुरू की तुमने?
सर थोड़ा असर आ रहा है ना, इसीलिए शुरू कर दिया है. कॉलेज में भी कुछ डांस कंपटीशन में पार्ट लिया था, अभी लॉकडाउन में भी कुछ कर रही हूँ, तो उसका पूरा सपोर्ट है. हाँ जी. तो सर कैंपस लाइफ भी बहुत अच्छी रही है आज तक. जितने भी इवेंट्स हुए हैं बहुत ही एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा, एम्बैरेस्ड फील नहीं हुआ कि अगर कुछ गलत भी हो गया तो सब लोग कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे. मे बी आई थिंक जब हम कॉलेज लाइफ में आते हैं तो थोड़ा सा मैच्योर हो जाते हैं चीजों के लिए, तो लोग और ज्यादा ना सपोर्टिव होते हैं. स्कूल में हम ऐसा होता था कोई गलती हो जाए तो सब चिढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन कॉलेज में ऐसा देखा कि अगर कोई चीज अच्छी नहीं भी तो मोटिवेशन मिलता है. तो वो वाली चीज एक बहुत अच्छी पार्ट है मेरे को लगता है कॉलेज लाइफ की. तो अच्छा चल रहा है सब.
एंड अबाउट टीचर्स?
सर टीचर्स भी बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्टिंग है, वेलकमिंग है. हर एक टीचर के साथ एक पर्सनल बॉन्ड है. मतलब पहले ऐसा था कि स्कूल के टीचर्स को विश करो, फिर उनके साथ बहुत ही ज्यादा फॉर्मल तरीका था, लेकिन हम व्हाट्सएप पे बात करते हैं, हम हार्ट्स भी भेजते हैं. कभी सोचा ही नहीं था टीचर्स को हम थैंक्स में हार्ट्स भेजेंगे. तो वो एक एक्सपीरियंस भी अच्छा है टीचर्स के साथ. वेरी नाइस सर.
Good. So again, moving on to Akriti, I mean, what will you tell us about your friends and teachers?
So from first week of the college, sir, actually I love to make friends. So sir, first week से ही पूरी class, almost पूरी class मेरी friend थी. It's not कि मेरा कोई selective कुछ ऐसा है कि इनसे बात करनी है उससे. Sir, I talk to everyone. In fact, I interact with seniors a lot. So sir, friendship is like मेरा BBA में भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, मेरे LLB में भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, PGMC में तो हैं ही सर. सो इट्स लाइक आई एंजॉय मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स. तो सब मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं ऑलमोस्ट.
सीनियर्स में आकृति, सीनियर्स में कौन फ्रेंड है? वैलेंटीना और सौम्या फ्रेंड्स में नहीं है तुम्हारे?
सर नहीं, वैलेंटीना दी को मैं जानती जरूर हूँ बट फ्रेंड्स नहीं. सौम्या दी का तो मैंने आई थिंक पहली बार मैंने इनका नाम सुना है. सर मेरी ज्यादा सीनियर्स में बातचीत मानवी दी से है और मीठी दी से है, और जो शिवम भैया हैं, शिवम गनेरीवाल, उनसे, सिद्धांत कुकरेजा, इन सब लोगों से ज्यादा है. तो सौम्या दी एंड ऑल सौम्या जी से तो अभी तक कोई बात नहीं है
Hmm.
नहीं फैकल्टी आई कैन से जैसे और कॉलेजेस में आई हैव नेवर हर्ड कि लाइक जो हमारी एचओडी होती हैं या डीन होते हैं वो इतने फ्रैंकली स्टूडेंट से बात करते हैं और वी कैन टॉक टू देम. तो सब बेस्ट पार्ट होता है ये एक कॉलेज में जो आप हमें इस कॉलेज में मिला है. एंड ऑल द फैकल्टी सब किसी भी टाइम इट्स लाइक जस्ट वन टेक्स्ट अवे और हमारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाते हैं. तो सब फैकल्टी इज रियली वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड केयरिंग.
Good. So moving on to Valentina again. Now, Valentina, we talked about the campus and friends, but now there is a time to talk about your family. So, what will you tell us about your parents and family, and what kind of support you have been getting in your making? Actually,
It was also mentioned in my AV. I love spending time with my parents. We all actually wake up together in the morning at the same time and we go to bed at the same time. So if they are up, I would get up instantly because I want to have my morning tea with them, with both my parents. I want to have my dinner with my parents. And they actually have always been really supportive towards me. So it's always been, I think, हर स्टूडेंट के लिए हर बच्चे के लिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट देयर पेरेंट्स आर सपोर्टिव. माय मदर इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. शी नोज एवरीथिंग अबाउट मी. शी नोज वेयर आई गो. शी नोज व्हाट आई डू, व्हाट माय हॉबीज आर. माय फादर हैज ऑलवेज बीन समबडी who's never spoiled us. He was, whenever we had a genuine demand, like I wanted a good laptop when I started college, I could have gotten a normal one, but he insisted that I get a good one so that I can download all the softwares that I need. And he, even if it's like something that's genuinely out of our budget maybe, but he would never make us feel like that. He'd always go 10 steps ahead and get us the best thing. And the only thing that they expect in return is that we do well and we are genuinely honest with what we are doing. And I learn a lot from them every day, especially how to treat people well, how to have a social life that also keeps you sane at the same time, how to have good relationships with people, how to maintain them. And उन values के साथ जब आप बड़े होते हो, it becomes you share a very deep bond with your parents. Both my parents are my best friends.
And what about your siblings?
I have a brother, sir. I have a very good relationship with him as well. I have an elder brother. He's 4 years elder to me, and he's doing his PhD from IISER Mohali right now. अभी वो भी घर पे ही है, but उनका sleep schedule थोड़ा different है मेरे से. I like to wake up at 7 in the morning. He goes to sleep at 7 in the morning. But he's always been really nice to me. He's always been very supportive and very frank with me. So whenever I had any problem, he's the person that I go to.
Good. So moving on to Soumya. Soumya, we would like to listen from you also about your parents and family.
I have a younger sister, 4 years younger to me. She is in school right now, but we have a good bond. But fighting is more than laughing together and having jokes. But yeah, it is good because we develop bond differently every day. Some days we have such a good bond. Mama say like that, अच्छा तुम लोग बहने हो, आज लग रहा है बहने हैं, ऐसे वाला. और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम दुश्मनों की तरह लड़ रहे होते हैं, लेकिन वो भी एक ऐसी चीज है कि हम फिर उन चीजों को बाद में याद करते हैं तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. और पेरेंट्स में मेरा ज्यादा अच्छा बॉन्ड मेरी मदर से है, क्योंकि मेरे फादर के साथ ज्यादा फैमिली टाइम स्पेंड नहीं होता बिकॉज ही इज अ बिजनेसमैन. तो ऐसा है कि मम्मा इज अ हाउसवाइफ बट शी does everything. She has a good social circle. She handles all the family members. We live in a joint family. We have a big family. So my best friend, we can say, is my mother. We share everything, every kind of thing we can do with her. So it's a good bond between me and her. But my sister is something that creates a spark in my life. Now she has gone to visit my bua house, so I'm feeling so lonely in my house because there is no one to chit chat to me. So I have a good relation with my mother and my sister.
So Akriti, what will you say about your parents and family?
So coming to my parents and family, so parents, like उन्होंने कभी किसी चीज की कहते हैं ना कमी कभी नहीं होने दी. बट हाँ सर, एक जो होता है कि लाइक मम्मा जो है मेरी, डेफिनेटली शी इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. वो मुझे लाइक वट एवर आई एम हियर, अभी तक मैं जहां तक आई हूँ सर, लाइक आई एम स्टडिंग इन डीएमई, मम्मा सपोर्ट बहुत किया है मम्मा ने, पापा ने भी स्पेशली. माय फादर इज माय इन्फ्लुएंसर, हर चीज क्या अच्छी है क्या बुरी है. सो सर मतलब लाइक डांस के उसमें उन्होंने सपोर्ट नहीं किया सर, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट सर बाकी हर चीज के लिए, चाहे जो भी डिमांड्स हो, छोटी से छोटी बड़ी से बड़ी, इट्स एवरीथिंग जिससे वो मतलब लाइक मेरे को हर चीज में इसके अलावा सपोर्ट करते हैं. एंड सर इन रिटर्न व्हाट दे वांट इज जस्ट मी टू डू वेल. And sir, coming to my family, I have a younger brother, and as you can see, sir, today is his birthday. Okay. So all that decorations. So he's in class 10th this year, and I have a joint family. That is, I have my grandfather and grandmother, and I get like daily basis पे sir उन लोगों से कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है. तो sir एक like होती है कि starting से ही upbringing ऐसी है, like family से मिला है यही है कि लोगों की like respect करो and all. So sir यही सब.
तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से कितना इंटरेक्शन होता है?
सर इट्स लाइक अगर मेरी पापा से भी उतनी बात नहीं होती जितने मेरी ग्रैंडफादर से होती है. सो इट्स लाइक दिन भर अगर जैसे दादाजी घर पे हैं तो पूरा टाइम इट्स लाइक आई एम सिटिंग विद माय ग्रैंडफादर टॉकिंग टू हिम. न्यूज देख रहे हैं तो डिबेट करेंगे कि इसने ऐसे उसने वैसे. तो माय ग्रैंडफादर इज लाइक बहुत उनसे बहुत ज्यादा, ग्रैंडमदर से उतना ज्यादा नहीं, बट हाँ ग्रैंडफादर से इज लाइक बहुत बातें होती है मेरी सर.
तो ये जो जर्नलिज्म और एंकरिंग वाला है वो वहीं से आ गया लगता है.
हाँ जी सर, एग्जैक्टली यस सर.
Okay, so moving on to Valentina again. Now, Valentina, I would like to know, I mean, since you are almost a graduate, now you would have thought about your career. So what will you do after this bachelor's degree in hand? Would you join the industry straight away? As you said, perhaps you have joined somewhere or working somewhere, or you will go for studies, further studies.
So I wanted to study further. I want to do my master's. I was planning on getting a PG diploma in digital marketing. And then if I can study further after that, I do want to do that as well. But currently, due to the lockdown everywhere, I didn't get apply to universities. And also for my own safety. And currently, I'm doing freelance work. So I work on different projects. I do logo designs. Currently, I'm working with an upcoming brand. So I look after their social media. I make graphics for them. I advise them creatively. That's what I'm doing currently.
So what is that one thing, if you can tell me, which takes you towards making a career in digital media marketing?
So I really enjoy it all roots from creativity and the urge to create content and to help people, become showcase that in the best way possible and to give them an identity. I think that's where it comes from. I really like interacting with people as well. It's very social. To do digital marketing, you get to interact with people a lot. You get to discuss different projects with them. It can also get hectic sometimes because sometimes people don't get your vision. But it's also very interesting to learn how people think. And so
okay, so where do you see you after 5 years?
So I generally one milestone that I want to have is that I get a degree, a master's degree for sure. That's something that I generally want to do, to study further, because I really enjoy the classroom environment, to work on projects and to learn new things. Secondly, I'd want to work in a good, digital marketing firm at a good place, having different projects under my wings, and to do that, because I generally want to get good at what I want to do. That's one thing that always bothers me. Sometimes I get this imposter syndrome where I feel, is this, something that I genuinely want to do? Is this a good thing? And then when I work on a project, I realize, yes, this is what I want to do. This is something that gives me happiness.
So you want to be in the leadership position shortly. I mean, that's something that you aspire for.
I do, yeah. Because I realized this really quick. So when I work in a team, it's not a good thing because mostly I work solo on different projects. So the whole vision is mine. And when you work in a team, it's very different because you have to listen to 10 people. 10 people will, have their own contributions. So right now I am having a little hard time dealing with that because I usually work alone. So I want to learn that first to how to work in a team, because then only you can run a team.
Exactly.
So I think that's really important right now.
Yeah, sure, sure. Now, moving to Soumya. Soumya, though you are still 1 year to go, but then, as you already said, you would have made up your mind, you said about PR. So, would you like to make a career in PR after you are the bachelor's degree in hand? Or would you like to explore something more during this 1 year, which you will be staying in DME Media School?
Yes, surely I want to explore, because I had plans that after giving my fourth semester exam, which couldn't happen due to the lockdown, then I will start learning German. I want to learn a foreign language. So that plans got postponed, but I will do it in the coming time soon. And I'm planning for doing job. Simultaneously, I'm planning for doing masters in public relations, as I want to work in client relations, particularly under that. So I am planning to do that, as I'm very disciplined in my life. So I want everything to be planned and pursued as per the plan. So yes, sir.
So, Akriti, though you have enough time to think and explore, I mean, complete 2 years are at your disposal, but still you might be having something in mind that you will do after completing your graduation. What is that?
Actually, now when I've entered in the second year, so initially it was like कि सिर्फ anchoring, but sir अब जब मैं आगे आई हूँ, like now when we are studying RJNR, so sir वो चीजें जो है वो थोड़ी मतलब like interest मेरा shift हो रहा है towards radio. So sir, it's like every day I'm exploring something new through this course. तो सब बेसिकली तो अभी तक तो मैंने यही सोचा था कि आफ्टर माय 3 years of this BJMC I would do masters in anchoring, and then after that like in any of the production of the news channels I would like to work. And after that, so like if I get a chance in politics I would try for that also. But now sir, as my interest is changing, so I also even want to work in radio. So sir अभी कुछ ऐसा rigid तो नहीं सोचा है, but हाँ सर अगर रेडियो नहीं तो फिर सर यही एंकरिंग ही है जो मुझे आगे लेके चलना है.
What anchoring is, I mean, but then anchoring is not a profession in isolation. But since you already said that you are interested in politics and you listen to news, because the basic profession is that of a journalist, anchoring is just a part of that. So you have to be well versed. I mean, you have to have the traits of a journalist. That's, I believe, is essential. Soumya, have you arranged the paintings? Did you get time or no?
Yes, sir, I have. I'll show you.
Okay. Let me first go to Valentina, then we would like to see to this. So, Valentina, any final thing that you want to say, anything that you wanted to express in this show that you haven't been able, or that is not covered in whatever questions I posed to you?
No, sir, I actually feel really content with the interview, but I would like to say something that I remember watching we were doing the online conference of ICANN 3. And when I had joined the college, that was the first, it was the first installment of ICANN. And I got really emotional watching the final, the whole ceremony of it, because the students were performing and I felt really bad. I said, it gets you really emotional, because I think DME, I hope it, reaches new heights, and I hope a lot of people come here to experience what we have experienced. But because it's like a small community, we know everybody we interact with, maybe not by name, but by face. And we have a really close relationship with all our teachers, and you get really emotional when you interact with people like that. So I feel I've really created very good bonds, not only with my fellow students or batchmates, but also with teachers. There are some teachers who are really supportive. I can still call them to ask about a project, that this is happening, how do you think I should tackle this is on my mind. And I think that's something that I'm going to take away with me from the college. and I'm also going to visit the college a lot for.
And then I mean in the last semester for the last 4 months, I mean you are not able to meet your friends. You are not able to come to the college.
Nobody. I think ICANN was the only thing that was keeping me attached to the college. I was attending all the conferences just to sit there, listen to people, and feel like, okay, these are the people, you know, I feel. And I think ICANN, I was a little biased towards ICANN as well, because I had worked a lot in the first installment. Used to stay in the college itself till 9 p.m. Then we used to not know how to go back home. And it used to be so much fun because that was the first time we were adulting. For the first time we were being a part of something that was so huge, and to get that opportunity, I was a little biased and very emotional when it ended this year.
That's natural. I mean, because now, I mean, you can come always to the
I
college,
will
but
come.
the way you were, but the way you were coming earlier, that part is over.
Yeah. Right.
So, Soumya, what will you say finally? Any final word, any final expression besides showing of the paintings that you are going to show to all of us?
Sir, I just want to say that do something in life which makes you happy and inspiring towards others. And I want that I make out something so good of my life that I can proudly say I have done something good in my life and I didn't wasted that opportunity which has been blessed to us, so that I can do something for my mother and my parents, both.
So now can we see your paintings?
Yes, sir, definitely. So this is a Radha Krishna painting.
Good.
And I have made many more paintings. I can show you few. So this is an abstract painting. Yes, sir.
Great.
So this is a painting of Durga Ma. Yes, sir, and many other paintings.
Do you know that your head, Dr. Susmita Bala, she is also a painter?
No, sir, she didn't told me. We already had a chat about this painting thing, but she didn't told me.
She is a very good painter, but she had to leave because of so many other things and studies and job. But then during this lockdown period, she again picked up the things after so many years, and then she has painted a few paintings during this period.
So I'll definitely DM her to show me some of them. It's great listening that.
So Akriti, any final thing you would like to say?
Just one thing that I never thought I would get this opportunity. So thank you so much, sir. And like this session is the best one I had ever, like I have done any session. This is the best one. That too, directly getting into conversation with the dean. It means a lot, sir. So thank you, sir.
Okay, so we move towards the end of this session, but before making the concluding thing, let me tell you that this is a show which definitely I conceived. I thought that something out of the box should be done by DME Media School, and I believe no such a kind of show is there in any educational institution in any part of the world. So I take that credit, DME Media School takes that credit, but then this whole idea, translating this idea into reality would not have been possible with the help of my faculty members, and particularly the creative and the production team, which has been by my side. And if I can name them, Deepika Dhawan, Ritik Ghosh, and Sumantra Sarthi Das, they have contributed a lot. And incidentally, today is also the birthday of Sumantra Sarthi Das, which we celebrated in the college. And all your AVs, etc., only he has prepared. And then obviously all other faculty members have been there under the leadership of Dr. Susmita Bala to see to this, then this show really becomes a reality. So I thank you, everybody. I thank you all.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.